Wait. Hola. Today we're gonna go over our run to rolls and our roll to runs, obstacle transitions, and a little bit of switch ups, okay? So one thing about wearing your Heelys is that you're gonna get from point A to point B, and you're gonna have obstacles in the way. One of those obstacles is a curb, and that's okay, it's not that high. We'll get through it. But you wanna get good at your run to rolls and your roll to runs. So that's basically being able to run out of rolling your Heelys, okay? I'll show you what it looks like. You're running, right? Go back, run. So that's a roll to run and your run to rolls. So I taught you in the first lesson that it's the 1-2 step that you're gonna wanna keep in your head for when you go over obstacles and for when you're just doing your Heelys in general, in case there's a crack that's too big or a lot of rocks, you can just pop out of it. So I'm gonna show you how the 1-2 step looks going up to the curb. Let's go. Okay, so you'll see each time and each move is a 1-2 step. Let me talk it out. When you roll up, you stop with your lead foot, you enter with your back foot, and you roll. Same thing, stop with your lead foot, enter with your back foot, and you roll. So that's the basics of transitioning obstacles. And yes, there'll be stairs, larger obstacles, but if you understand the basics of the 1-2 step, you'll be able to transition any obstacle. It's just the basic. And another thing with just transitioning an urban environment while you do a 1-2 step is that sometimes you might have to take an extra step, okay? And when you take that extra step out, your lead foot is going to be different. So you may want to start practicing switching your lead foot here and there, but the main thing about switching your lead feet is going parallel, and that's why I wanted to teach you about going parallel a while ago and just understand that. So when you switch your lead foot, you can just do this. It's not too much. It'll be easier as you go along, you know? So if you have to take an extra step, just remember you can always take an extra 1-2 step if you have to, or just run out of it. Just be safe no matter what you do, because I don't want you to get hurt, okay? Have a good one.